and today we're going to be making slime. First, we're going to need Elmer's school glue. You can do clear or white. You're just going to put about to cover your bowl. Next, we're going to put in baking soda. A little bit of water. Just like that. And we're going to mix. After the water is mixed in really well, it should be looking like this. And next, you're going to add in biochar. And you're going to mix. Should be looking like this, coming together. Next, you're going to use your hands to stretch it and fold it, and it should look like that. And then I recommend using Olay body wash, and you're going to put it in about this much in there. You can use any brand of body wash or shampoo to make it smell good and add a color and make it softer. Then just gonna slowly with your hands mix it in. See how it's more of a pinkish color now? In this video, I kept adding BioTrue because it was really sticky and not activated. And I kept adding baking soda. So if yours isn't working out, just try adding either of those two.
I hope this tutorial worked for you. Like and subscribe to Eleanor Relaxing. Bye!